Have you heard about Google Bard's new update? If not, you're in for a treat. Google Bard, an intelligent chatbot, has stepped up its game with a fresh update that's all about making your life easier and more connected. This isn't just some minor tweak we're talking about, it's a significant enhancement that's poised to redefine how we interact with AI. Intrigued? You should be. Stay tuned to discover the three main features of this update. Firstly, Google Bard now integrates with various Google services. Picture this. You're juggling emails in Gmail, drafting project proposals in Docs, navigating routes on maps, and catching up on your favorite content on YouTube. Now imagine having a reliable chatbot that can help you manage all of these tasks effortlessly. That's what Google Bard is here for. It's designed to assist you with finding information, making suggestions, and even composing emails. But what about privacy, you ask? Well, Google Bard has got you covered. It offers you complete control over its features, allowing you to turn them off as per your convenience. So whether you're knee-deep in work or just casually browsing, Google Bard is ready to lend a helping hand, all while respecting your privacy settings. Google Bard is now your personal Google Assistant, making your interaction with Google services more seamless and efficient than ever before. Secondly, Google Bard has become a credible source of information. This upgraded AI chatbot has the ability to fact-check its responses. When you engage in a conversation with Bard in English, look out for a G icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal the sources backing up Bard's information. This feature ensures that you are not just taking Bard's word for it, but are also privy to the evidence supporting its responses. But that's not all. Google Bard also offers customization options. You can tweak how it communicates with you, opting for a tone that ranges from formal to casual, and choosing the length of its responses. Google Bard is not just an AI chatbot, it's your customizable AI companion. Finally, Google Bard speaks your language. With the ability to converse in over 40 languages, this recent update extends Bard's reach to more than 230 countries around the globe. Whether you want to learn a new language, translate content, or just explore different cultures, Bard is here to assist. It's not just a chatbot, it's a bridge to the world, breaking down language barriers and fostering global understanding. Google Bard is a global AI chatbot. In conclusion, the new Google Bard update is a game changer. Offering seamless Google services integration, fact-checking, customization, and multilingual capabilities, it outshines rivals like ChatGPT in convenience, reliability, and diversity. Experience the power of the new Google Bard update. Try it out today.